All right, everyone, got a couple of announcements to make. First off, the KR33 bracket set that I have offered for pre-order, that is a go. So those of you that have already bought in, we're good. We're going to be moving forward with that. We have enough to place the order with the CNC shop. I've actually been in contact with them this week, so everything is good there. I am going to leave the pre-orders open until the end of the month, so the end of August. At that point in time, I will stop the pre-order ability, and we will move forward. I'll move forward with the CNC shop, get the order placed, get those underway, and hopefully 4 weeks or so after I place the order, then I'll be receiving the parts, and then I can distribute them out to those of you that got in. So I appreciate everybody that's done that, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, click the link in the description below, and that will kind of explain it. It's a very good way to make what will be a very good CNC machine, a mini CNC machine, a small CNC machine, but a very good CNC machine. I've got one mocked up behind me. It's still a work in progress, but all the brackets are modeled on it right now, and I'm very close to having that one ready to run. So enough of that. So you have until the end of August. So the other thing was the contest that I did with the viewer appreciation video that I did a few weeks ago. My children picked out 3 that they thought were funny and corny. So the 3 that won are, what do you call a boomerang that doesn't come back? And the answer is a stick, and they got a real good chuckle out of that. What do hippies do? They hold your leggies up. And what did the grape say when the elephant stepped on it? And the answer is nothing. He just let out a little whine. So those were great. I appreciate everybody that took the time to entertain my silly side, and I'm always open for a good joke. So we'll do this contest again, and you can count on that. So I have some more videos coming out soon. Still working on the large CNC, getting it squared away. Been trying to tune the motors on that, and I'll show you some of that process here in an upcoming video. But right now it's just kind of humdrum, mundane, not real interesting to watch kind of stuff. So as soon as things start picking up pace a little bit more, we'll do another video on that. So appreciate all the new subscribers. We blew, I think actually when I posted the last video saying that we were almost at 250 million views, by the time the video was uploaded we were already past that, and we have left that number in the dust. So thanks to you all for watching the videos, for giving me feedback, for leaving comments, for giving me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to what's coming down the road. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider it, and give me a thumbs up if you can. But we will talk to you next time.